demo our new WebRTC feature of audio, video, and screen sharing. So in that regard, as you can see on my screen, there is my agent desk on the screen and my customer widget view as well. So let me log in my agent, and then I'm going to initiate an audio call from my customer widget, which will land on my agent desk. Once you log in your agent, you can see that make sure that your state is ready and your CX voice MRD is also in ready state. So once you cross-check these two things, so let me initiate a web chat first from my customer widget, and then from active chat, I will initiate an audio call to the agent. So you can see my web chat is initiated and there is an audio call button. Once I click on it, an audio call will initiate. As you can see, it lands on my agent. So once agent accepts this call, you can see normal audio call scenarios run. I can mute my mic as well. I can hold my call as well. Similarly, agent can do the same thing. There are some video and screen sharing icon on my customer widget, but these are till view disabled because we are in audio call. Once we will make it to the video call, these features will be enabled for the use. So once we can have a small conversation, agent or customer both can end the call. So you can see agent end the call and we have moved to the wrap up state, and we will leave without wrapper. So this is the normal audio call scenario. Let me end this chat from the customer widget and enable my video view for the video call. So for the video feature, let me initiate a web chat again. So now you can see, I can see two more icons, one for the video call and the second one is for the screen sharing. First, let me initiate a video call, which will land on the agent. As you can see, customer is showing my picture, my video cam, and once agent accepts the call, agent camera will also be visible for me. Yeah, you can see both can see agent and customer. So both have the same feature for toggling their camera, toggling their mic, and hold resume can also work here. And also there is another feature during a video call. If customer wants to move to the screen sharing side, we can normally convert our call to the screen sharing. Once I click on the screen sharing, a normal screen sharing view will be open up, and let me just select any screen from here. And after selecting the screen, you can see I am now in the screen sharing mode. So on agent, you can see my full view screen, and similarly I can move back to my video call back by converting my call. So you can see now my picture came back with the video call. So similarly, both agent can toggle their mic, video cam, and hold their call, and both can end the call as well. So once the call is ended, agent move to the wrap up state. So these are the main features for audio, video, and screen sharing call.